So here in Bremen, there are these two birds, and I kid you not, they look like pterodactyls. Whoa, sorry, I'm falling. Okay, so there's one and the other, and if we can just focus, Ashley, focus. You can't really tell, but every day, oh my God, Ashley, focus on your camera work. Okay, every day, these two birds are on this cabana, and they stand with their wingspan out, and they kind of just stand there with their wings out, trying to like intimidate other birds. And I kid you not, they look like pterodactyls. I'm out of breath because I just fell down the slope, but don't worry about me. We're trying to focus on these birds. So if anybody knows what kind of bird this is, please let me know. Well, if I can, I'll take a picture of when they have their wings out. So, there you go. We'll keep an eye out.